Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and get started here with the video. As you can see, I'm showing you guys all the products that I use to achieve this magenta color on my natural black hair. I use the HiColor Hilights product with the 40 clear developer, and then I have my styling cups that I mix each mixture in. Now I will say in the video, you won't see me do the second time, but I did have to do this process twice because the 3 packs I had was not enough for the length of hair I had. The lengths of the weave I have, well, the bundles, I'm sorry, are, I think the longest is 18 inches, and I think I used all 3 bundles with the frontal, and the 3 packs were not enough. So I would advise anyone, if you have 18 or longer, I use 6, so just, I guess, add 2 more, or just be mindful of how many you need to get if you have any longer lengths other than 18 inches. But as you can see here, what I did is I went in and I separated the hair, and I've already mixed the color with the developer. So now I'm just going in and applying it to the hair. So in these next couple of steps, pretty much what you'll see is me sectioning out the hair and blending in the product. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have made it to the frontal area. With this area here, guys, definitely take your time, be mindful of the lace. I did spray 3 layers of Got to Be Free spray, but what I would say is just make sure that you evenly distribute that spray and that all areas are dry, because you don't want to have areas like I did where the product did bleed through the lace. I mean, for me, I like my knots to stay with the color they are. It gives me more of a natural look. I don't like the red look through the scalp, the bled through look. That's just not the type of look I was going for. I know some people do like that when you're doing color hair or any type of dye, but for this look, I really was not trying to achieve that. But I'm not unsatisfied with the way everything came out. So definitely just be mindful when you are working the lace area that you are cautious of how you are applying the product. All right, y'all. Well, that is the end of this video. This is how the color turned out. It definitely came out in the magenta tone that I wanted. This was the look I did for my birthday. I'm so excited. Everything turned out right, guys. If you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.